Alright folks, how you doing today? Just wanted to give you an idea of what my cabinet is looking like. It'll have a wall on this side, plus it'll be cut back further so that I have a shelf out here. This will be brought out all the way to the edge here, maybe even over all the way to this edge, just so I have a shelf here. That won't be a very big one. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you what it was looking like. This will be up higher, of course, like that. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how it was looking. I'm also right now on the panel that goes right here. The wall is only like a half wall, so it's going to start about right here and come down and roll around and down here and then cut over. But I've decided to put the same kind of trim that's here all the way around like here, so it'll be rounded. It'll look pretty nice, I think. Haven't decided if I'm going to put trim on the other side here. I think I will, just because it gives it that contrast. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you a quick update on what it was looking like. Also, the motor I got from my composting toilet was a DC motor. And it's not strong enough to turn the sawdust that's in there. So I had to order me another motor. This is an ice machine auger motor, or ice dispenser. So what I've got to do is I've got to see if my shaft that I have for my other one will fit in here. And then I've got to figure out which one is hot, and because this is going to run off of AC, not DC. So I got to figure out which one of these pins is hot and not. So I only got 4 pins to choose from, so I just have to sort of poke around to see which one makes it move. And I don't know if it's polarity sensitive. Probably not for AC. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that. And I got most of my plumbing done for the underneath plumbed. I have 3 water tanks, 3 gray water tanks, because the one I bought, the 30-gallon, I couldn't get a place where I liked it, so I put 3 different ones in 3 different locations, and I got all of them plumbed yesterday. So now I just need to do from the first one, because they're going to be all daisy chained. So as the first one gets filled up, it'll fill up the second one, and then so on. So now I just need the hose, the big hose from the water tank, gray water tank, to the drains, and that's it. And this is back in place. So anyhow, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Be safe.